man I can take in a farm because I've been on an massive with the deal what you deal on wine. Because you watch another make me video to please anybody. Because for the boy, I make me video to please anybody. I make my video to expose evil and wickedness. That is the main genesis of my video. I'm not making video for you to trend. I don't do that in my videos. So because a lot of people now some words you be forced because I'm mad. You will force me to reply to you the way you want it. I don't know if the mother seen her reply your followers badly, harshly, can't. Chief that I'm one agwagi have mother cambo. I'm one mother. Mother be here motalum. So you man feel no you're right, Kobe, but my comment section or inbox if you're battling because of my video. Only video na fail on social media because you couldn't pay attention. Couldn't this video. Couldn't water a hemen ju echo kuku pertaining this topic in China better than this video.
And I don't even know when they started collecting 1,000 to register a member. We're going to discuss these things. Some of these things, I'm hearing it for the first time. We're going to discuss it. So even if I come, so whatever that happened, we are sorry here. Now, I want you to bring your mind down. Here? Which place are you doing your business? Ladipo. Ole hinere. May God bless you. It is well with you. Favor you in Jesus' holy name. It is well with you. What am I also?
Fine. I'm going to see the video. Now, there are two categories of people in Chodi Goku at this video. One, the people not a comment section this video because this video is trending at TikTok. This video is making on a trending at TikTok as of today. I'm not on today's date, but today is being as of today being the 5th of May 2025. This video is trending at TikTok. Why is it trending? Again, a comment section. People now say why on a Evangelist Ebuka Obi, man of God, prophet, but why can't he see those things? That's when there are two categories of Magoku. One, the people that says why this man of God did not see this. Two, the people that are under this Zion ministry that are milking the man of God under the roof, under his nose. These are the two people I'm going to talk to in this video. One, I'm starting with the people that are saying that Evangelist Ebuka Obi na unequal for Charafan. Why didn't you see all these things? Now let me talk to you people in a language that you understand. One thing you should have at the back of your mind today, whether you being a Christian, whether you believe in God or you don't believe in God, that no man of God sees everything. Evangelist Ebuka Obi have never for one day come out saying no Evangelist Ebuka Obi for Charafancha or Macharafancha. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is Ebuka Obi the man before Evangelist Ebuka Obi the man of God. He is, again I repeat again, he is Ebuka Obi Ebuka Anozie Obi of a man before Evangelist Ebuka Obi the man of God. Why did I say this? No man of God sees everything and no man of God knows everything. If you can have this at the back of your mind of you going to church, that will be your biggest deliverance, or that will be your number one deliverance ever. No man of God knows everything. You just have to accept this bitter truth now. No man of God and also no man of God sees everything. Now, something in the Bible. Elisha and the Shunammite woman. I will start from there. Elisha and the Shunammite woman. This incident in the Bible. People are reading about it. Now let me tell you something now. The Bible said that and the Elisha and his servant na gafe na that village. Every time actually gafe, Bible made this cake and go alone and go kunu we water him because right now I'm talking to people na go. People na go. Bible said in 2 Kings chapter 4, these are the lessons you should learn from this page. And now also Elisha and his servant are repeatedly invited to eat at the Shunammite woman home when they passes through Shunam. Which means all the time this Elisha and servant here gafe, the woman must invite them. The woman must invite them. The woman must invite them. Are you getting me? Why didn't Elijah see that now this woman were wrong? Why didn't Elisha see that this woman were wrong? And secondly, the Bible said she built a room for Elisha with a bed, a table, a chair, and a lamp, demonstrating her respect and care. Invite and beg it. We went as far as building that person a bed, a chair, a room, a lampstand, or yanano, to show that you care for that person. I'm still coming on. Elisha, in all these things, Elisha from Nawanya Adri, Nawanya Morongwa. Nanaota. Then Elisha threw a question. Elisha asked this woman, what can he do for her? And she asked her again. She only asked to be treated like a mother. And Elisha did not understand. See, some things why I have been like this now. That is why I always tell people, read your Bible and know God by yourself. I'm not perfect too. I am not perfect. I'm a human being. But knowledge and wisdom is what differentiates you and I. I don't just come out to make video, don't show you pertaining things that has to do with videos and man of God. I go by basilica because I said in one of my videos that the key to the future we are going to is still in the past. People not knowing that I forge ahead, forgetting that there is something in the hope of men reaching the moon. They fail to see the flowers that blows under their feet. And that's why again on a proverb from that only choli lienu zodole da oku. That no matter how he thinks that his journey has reduced. Nicholi lienu roof. Just know that your journey has reduced whether you like it or not. This is what people should know. Now that's a Hausa proverb. Because I'm talking to Igbo audience and I'm talking to my people. So now, even at that, also I want to be treated like your mother. Elisha did not understand. Let her go. Until the servant came and said, Master, Jesus, Elisha tie. Elisha tie, the Bible said, and he felt bad. In the sense that, God, why didn't you reveal this to me? Why didn't you reveal this to me? Why God did not reveal that woman, despite everything she has done throughout the years. And Elisha made a proclamation and said, according to the time of life. According to the time of life. Because now, I will still drive back to this thing. This verse, this page isn't gonna. I will still come back to it. Under the roof of man of God, I will still come back to this thing because a lot of them are making a very huge mistake. Under man of God, now Gezianti here Bible, and Bible said in Matthew 26 verse 24, I think. Sorry, let me be sure. Yes, in Matthew 26 24, the Bible said, and I read, he said, the Son of Man goes just as is written about him. But woe to that man by whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It could be better for him as a man not to have been born. Now I dive into the people that are under the man of God near Epia. Bible na again kuno water that not say, woe be tied to that man whom the Son of Man will be crucified through him. That it is better for that person not to be born. If people are making a very huge mistake, under Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Bible says in the book of Amos that God does not do anything without revealing to his servants. He may reveal it to them, but they may not really understand what is going on, just like what happens to Elisha. Even when the woman was speaking, or say the woman was saying, I just want to be treated like a mother, still Elisha did not understand. Still, Elisha did not understand. Evangelist Ebuka Obi knows that something is going on, but he cannot tell what is that thing. Agwalo say no matter, despite the fact no man of God sees everything, knows everything. Agwalo say that he cannot pick signals. Why is it that I know a Catholic church I say, let it be written on your forehead, let your mouth proclaim it, and let it be in the tablets of your heart? Or such thing may exist. That a man can look at you and everything about you can be written on your forehead. That is why most times what you're will always take a Agwaluno sin again in other affair. Or no matter, he picks signal. But whereby now those there are some hidden things of God that are more getting that Nachukuna just no can happen for the appointed time. Ni Nehemiah does not mean that Judas and not but Jesus also sounded this warning. Judas is there. Judas was there, but again, his appetite for money, even when he wanted to betray Jesus, he only visited there once. Say, what will it cost me? Can deliver alone on ya? Evangelist Ebuka Obi knows that a lot of things are happening under his roof, but most time he sit down to pray for the salvation of your soul. Not that he doesn't know that so he never such thing, but again, it pains him that somebody he trusted. The other day, make a social media handle, and the mother name her claiming of the song, copyright here and there, copyright claim. How many ministry can give you that access? Or somebody not into the media department name such thing. Most time he will just be there giving you time for you to repent. You may think that he doesn't know it. A man of God may see things and he doesn't want to talk about it. They see things, they know things, but most time they will be forced not to say something. Yeah, opening Ogara men of God most time. Yeah, from some journey here, see each back here. And we can say, no, can you shift it to tomorrow? Not that they don't know that in each John or they cannot pray, but there are some things that cannot be avoided. I say, can you shift this thing tomorrow? I am talking to the people right now under the man of God. Now, again, into know what happened between Elisha and the Shunammite woman. Listen, and the Bible said, and God through Elisha blessed this woman with a child. These are the reward of you being under a grace, under a grace, and you are faithful. Now, this is another reward because most people don't know this reward came. Or see later, her son died. She placed her body on Elisha's bed and he rose the boy from the dead. That boy has said according to the time of life, that boy mecha. Because of the faith the woman has, because Elisha is not around, she believed that as long as this place, this man of God is lying there, these are the benefits. Always in a okuluma, we knew when that the same bed, Elisha and that baby came back to life. Then Elisha now met the woman again. Also, he met the woman again and again and prophesied and advised her to leave the land because the woman was good to him. The woman and her family were good to him. The woman now left the town because of Nagineme. Even though she said she lives among her people, because the man of God advised her to leave. In 2 Kings chapter 8, the Bible said, and she returned and is restored to her her properties in her income because she came back from again. Her lands has been taken in big just to make the story the whole thing short. Her properties and income, all these things we are restored to her because all these things again demonstrating God's faithfulness to those who showed kindness and faith. to those who show kindness and faith. Sorry. These are the people who show kindness and faith, and this should be their reward. Even during the time of Jesus, there are so many men of God around that time. Bible said, and he anointed the 70 and sent them away into Guinea to go and preach, and left 12. So if you go by the men of God not around during the time of Jesus, they are 82. If you go on, they are again 82. Well, why didn't any of them stop the crucifixion of Jesus? Or why didn't any of these 82 so that no Judas will betray Jesus? You people should take your time more. Take your time. My videos are here to feed the sheep, not to entertain the goats. Unola around this ministry, now to make it. See, in one man, and that will I will just end this video. This man is a catechist somewhere. I will mention name. He's a catechist somewhere. This man like this. I'm not trying to tell you something, because this man quite a time comes on go na diale go somewhere. The man around 11:30, 12:30 in Caban. And by 5 o'clock on a church the following day. On a church the following day. Bulugi was a little church. But the sincerity of his heart is what kept this man alive till today. Because now getting me, that thing you now condemn. I'm not saying that you won't call the mouth. Man, whereby that in the heart of man, his heart is pure. And he believes that there is a God somewhere whom he worships. God does not need your permission to protect and keep that man alive, because now, put that man tomorrow, who will be the one to ring 5 o'clock bell in a church, but then the man will say, it's time to come to my sanctuary and worship me. Who will now remove with that man? Who will now be the person to go and do this and do that? I told you people one certain time that now God saying again, I don't know why they want to replace me, because even when Jesus was sending the people, the Bible said that he sent them two. Animal name ark, but Noah said that in the and they march into the ark 2. When God created man, for that man should not be left alone, he created a helpmate, which means there are 2. I na go say everything na double, everything na double, which is 2. Bible said, and the blessings of God make it 1. The blessings of God make it 1 rich and add no sorrow, which is again 2. Unolo under this grace called Evangelist Ebuka Obi, respect yourself. Respect yourselves. Everybody under that ministry now, whether you a sanctuary, sanctuary department, media department, ushering department, again one. How would these people be so gullible if people are selling your master just like the way Judas is sold Jesus Christ? If people are selling him, will not charge you for membership fee 1,000. Mosako local funding reserve oche. You people still went ahead and be doing another thing. I believe nobody also for enemy. There are many of you doing this thing, man. Which see, Bible said in Matthew 26:24, say, woe be tied to that person. It is better for you not to have been born. No come man amurogamo. No come man amurogamo. Thank you all for watching. God